Welcome to ABC Trainings. Hypermesh. Explore the world of finite element analysis and meshing with our comprehensive Hypermesh training programs. We offer certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma courses to cater to your specific learning needs in Hypermesh. Whether you are a beginner or seeking advanced skills, our programs cover a wide spectrum of topics, empowering you with the skills necessary for efficient mesh generation, analysis, and optimization. Here are some key features you'll delve into in our courses. Introduction to Hypermesh interface and workflow. Meshing techniques for various engineering applications. Application of boundary conditions and loads. Advanced features for mesh quality improvement. Post-processing and result interpretation. Enroll in the Hypermesh course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful finite element preprocessing software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.